Clingy. A person who always wants to be with someone all the time and doesn't want to leave them. Jimmy is a very clingy child. He follows me everywhere. Cranky. Irritable, easily annoyed, or in a bad mood. I can't talk to my boss because he is in a cranky mood. Creepy. Scary, strange, or making you feel uncomfortable. The town looks a bit creepy at night. Drowsy. Feeling sleepy or tired, almost ready to fall asleep. I began to feel drowsy, that's why I didn't drive. Giddy. Feeling very excited and happy, sometimes in a silly or dizzy way. She is giddy for her birthday cake. I was getting giddy after spinning me. Gloomy. Dark or dim, related to weather or lighting. I don't go out, it is gloomy weather. Gloomy. Sad or unhappy, related to mood or feelings. She looks gloomy after coming from school. Gutsy. Brave, bold, or showing courage. She is a gutsy woman among us. Hefty. Large, heavy, or strong, either in size, amount, or force. I bought a hefty burger with cheese and bacon. Lousy. Something very bad, poor in quality, or unpleasant, often to show disappointment or discomfort. He is now in a lousy mood, don't talk to him. Nosy. Someone who is too interested in other people's private lives or business. My sister-in-law is very nosy into others' business. Sloppy. Something that is messy, untidy, careless, or done without attention to detail. My brother is so sloppy. He doesn't clean the room. Snobby. Someone who thinks they are better than others, often because of money, looks, or status. She is a little bit snobby in her friends. Soggy. Wet, soft, or soaked with water or other liquid, usually in an unpleasant way. My dog is soggy in rain. Tipsy. Slightly drunk or not fully drunk. He was laughing after getting a little tipsy.